Morning, everyone. Greg here, and I'm back at the workbench this Monday morning. Happy Groundhog's Day, everybody. Yeah, that's my favorite holiday. Not really a holiday, but it's one of those goofy holidays, and it's one that you should enjoy. Got the Groundhog movie with Bill Murray and a whole cast of others that's a must watch. So yeah, it's a goofy day for a goofy kind of thing, and this is the Weirdo's Big Wheeler. Just finished him up yesterday morning. Missing a few parts, but we'll get into that in a minute, because what I'm gonna do is pause it here and we're gonna move in a little closer on this guy and see what we can see. Hang on. Okay, I'm back, and yeah, I tried to zoom in on this guy a little bit. It's considered a 1/16 scale kit. It's pretty small, compared to the 1/16 scale Thomas Flyer I just did. Yeah, this thing looks tiny compared to it, but whatever. It was a fun little project. One of these little things I got for a Christmas present from my buddy Garth. On the back, it's missing the anchor that came with it. Somehow I got the chain part, but I cannot find the anchor. I'm sure it was in the box. The box was wrapped up and sealed. So, yeah, dummy me, lost the darn thing. But I decided I was going to go ahead and do it anyhow. A lot of craft paints, a lot of hand painting. Fun little project, and a fun little thing to show on a fun little holiday. I guess final word is 6 more weeks of winter. Oh well, I guess that means more bench time, more models to do, and more fun to be had. Alright, well, that's all I got for today, everybody. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.